Hi, I'm Tony Janko with the Janko Realty Group. Thanks again for watching this series. We hope you're enjoying watching it as much as we enjoy making it. In the last video, we busted several income myths. In this video, we'll discuss different down payment requirements and how this differs from your earnest money. We'll also help you understand down payment options when buying a house. As usual, I'm joined by my partner, Toni Eads, and our preferred lender, Brandy Jones with Union Home Mortgage. And as you can tell, we're coming to you from this beautiful model home thanks to Dylan Lee with Silverthorne Homes.
Thank you, Tony. So down payment and earnest money are definitely two different things. When discussing down payment, that's a percentage of your loan amount, and that's determined by the type of loan and required by your lender. Earnest money, on the other hand, is a deposit to the seller that the buyer gives in good faith that they're going to purchase the home. The earnest money is typically about 1% of the purchase price, and that money gets credited back to you at closing. So Brandy, let's talk about how down payment amounts differ from loan to loan.
Sure, Tony. So down payments do differ from loan to loan. Generally speaking, most loans require at least 0 to 5% depending on the loan.
0% down loans are super attractive to a lot of buyers. Can you tell us which loans qualify for that 0% down?
Sure. So there are 3 loans that have 0% down programs. So the first one's going to be VA if you qualify for that. Also, there's USDA, depending on where you're purchasing. And then there's also 0% down loans that come in the form of down payment assistance programs.
So tell us which loans would qualify for 3.5% down.
So the 3.5% down loan is going to be that FHA loan. This is also an easier loan to qualify for and sometimes thought of as a first-time home buyer loan program.
We've spoken about VA, USDA, and FHA loans. So tell us, is it required that you put 20% down on a conventional loan?
No, so that's actually a common misconception. So conventional loans only require 3 to 5% down depending on the type of conventional loan program that you go with. But of course, you can always put more money down. That's something we could discuss.
Thank you, Brandy. Any final thoughts on down payments?
Yes, thank you, Tony. So one thing to keep in mind is just because you have additional money to put down on your home and it has its benefits, it may not always make sense. We really need to sit down and have a conversation about your finances and make that decision together based on your whole financial picture.
Thank you, Brandy. Thank you, Tony. It's obvious there are a lot of different options in regards to down payment percentages. In the future videos, we'll dig deeper into each type of loan, from 0 down loans to FHA, VA, and conventional loans. Keep an eye out for our next video where we're going to discuss the 0 down type of loans. Thanks again. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call, 317-414-9355. Thanks.